So I'm going to ask Rehan to start. I'm having here the the time the timer. Yeah. Do you need to see the timer or what? Uh, okay. And I want the to file and then Dwi Lestari. Yeah. Maybe you do the preparation. Yeah. You do the preparation. If you don't understand Dwi and to file, huh? To file just left again. Oh no. So if you don't understand to file and Dwi, you can ask somebody here via WhatsApp or something. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So now I'm going to ask Raihan to start. Yeah. Are you ready, Raihan? Where is your handphone? Okay. Now you hold your handphone like this, and then you start. One, two, three.
Definition of paraphrasing method.
Definisi metode paraphrasing. Paraphrasing adalah metode membuat kembali sebuah paragraf untuk agar nantinya akan disajikan dengan kalimat dengan bentuk yang sama, namun dengan makna yang sama, namun dengan bentuk yang struktur yang berbeda.
Or simply or voice, it means
Itu artinya
meaning clear.
Membuatnya menjadi clear.
A shorter and simpler form.
Secara umum, dalam membuatnya menjadi simple dan clear,
To forming, clarifying, or expanding on information and your
atau mengembangkan kalimat dan maknanya.
actions without plagiarizing the information.
Yeah. Okay. It's only less than 1 minute.
Yes, it's okay. No problem. Thank you. Thank you, Raihan. Yeah. And now, Raihan, yeah, I want you to choose anybody, not always to your partner.
Oh, okay. Well, who's left? There should be Hafiza, but no Hafiza
Yeah,
anymore.
no.
Maybe.
Oh my
Yeah,
God,
maybe.
that's right. Okay.
Maybe Ranti or Kevin.
Ranti.
Yeah. Okay.
Ranti.
But my partner was Hafizah, right?
Hey, your camera, please.
Yes, sir. The partner was supposed to be
It's okay.
Hafizah, right?
No, yeah, no problem. Okay, now
And
your
then
handphone, please, your handphone. Oh, she didn't send you any voice note?
she translated mine.
Oh,
She's about to send hers.
yeah, she's supposed to send hers that belonging to Raihan, actually. So, okay, whatever it is, can I hear the voice note?
Just
By
now.
definition, the process of virtually understanding,
Okay.
and processing
Yeah.
spoken or
Okay.
written message of the
Ranti, it is okay. You are lucky because she translated your own article. Okay. Okay. So in that case, no problem. Okay, Ranti, are you ready? Put the handphone, please. Okay.
I haven't. Okay, now.
It's okay. This is supposed to be spontaneous, you know? Okay.
Yeah, it's very spontaneous.
Okay. No problem. Don't worry. Okay. Come on, your handphone, please. Put beside your ear.
by definition.
Okay, wait. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Start.
By definition,
Sebagai definisinya, definisi ialah untuk memproses dalam terjemahkan dan dalam bahasa lain. Dengan definisi ini,
here is
secara mental apa nih proses I don't know, sir. It's
It's okay. 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 Yeah, Ranti.
yes, sir.
Is it because of the quality of the voice or what?
No, it's just well, you are asking me, and then she sent it the same time, and then I don't know. I haven't heard the
It is. It is.
the definition
It
before,
is.
so
Yeah, it is.
yeah,
What I mean is,
supposed to be spontaneous, right? So
yes, it is
it's
supposed
very
to be spontaneous.
spontaneous.
No problem. Okay. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Everybody, after this, you are going to continue with point number 2. Point number 2 is about memorizing. Yeah, is that memorizing or something? Okay, yeah. Yeah, now I think to make it quick, Kevin, Ranti, don't worry about that. Maybe you just need to be more concentrated. Yeah, okay. Kevin,
Yeah, sir.
yeah, your handphone, please. Okay,
Kelihatan nggak, sir?
Okay, are you ready?
Oke, ready.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, start.
Menurut definisi, penafsiran adalah proses pertama-tama dalam menganalisis memproses pesan lisan atau isyarat, dan kemudian dengan setia menerjemahkan. Dalam penerjemahan ini kita dapat mengerti dua interpret, penafsiran atau oral phrase. Kita dituntut untuk mengerti dan mendengarkan, menganalisis dan mengolah pesan atau tanda yang diucapkan, kemudian sebelumnya semua situasi ini harus diproses dalam waktu yang cepat, tanpa terkecuali dalam penafsiran. Dalam fokus dari 5 elemen akan menjadi penafsiran yang bagus.
Okay, thank you. Yes. Okay. Raihan recorded very loudly. Yeah, I can hear the voice clearly. Wow.
1 minute 23.
Yeah, it is okay. I have already counted. Yeah, how many percent that you can cover the interpretation. Yeah. Okay. Now, so this is not about the time that you spend, but it is about how many percentage that you can cover from the interpretation from the audio. Yeah. Hafiza. Okay. Your handphone, please. Okay. Now, are you ready? Okay.
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
It's the process of rewording or rephrasing.
Parafrase adalah proses merubah kata dari teks atau
the main ideas and information.
tanpa merubah makna dalam
Condensing the source text or speech to the shorter version. And from
bisa juga parafrase juga bisa merubah teks data
with minimal
ke bahasa lainnya.
oral communication.
Langsung. Boleh sekali lagi nggak, Pak?
Okay, no problem. Don't worry about that. Because you are going to have the second chance. Yeah, the second chance is going to be different content, different text. Yeah. Okay.
Yes,
yeah. I think Tufail and Dwi, you continue your activity with the next one. Now, everybody, I want you to look at the second point. Yeah, the second point of the article is that. Yeah, the second point of the article is that active listening method. Yeah, active listening method. But this one, I want you to read techniques of active listening method. Technique of listening method. Okay, so Kevin, you are reading your own article. Ranti also. Hafiza, you are reading the one that you get from Raihan. And then Raihan is reading your own. Tufail, you are reading also the one that you discussed with Ranti. Is that clear, Tufail?
Okay, sir.
Okay. As again, I give you 5 minutes, to read the voice note directly to the person. But now I want you to file, you go to Kevin, okay?
Okay.
Raihan, you go to Hafiza, yeah. But Ranti, we don't have. Okay, let me call Tiffany. Tiffany, are you available? Okay. Dwi Lestari join. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Dwi Lestari, are you available now?
Hello, yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, Dwi Lestari, you are going to read the article you worked together with Raihan last week. Active listening method technique, technique of active listening method. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
And then you send the voice note to Ranti personally, okay?
Okay,
Clear?
sir.
Okay. Ranti, you send personally to Dwi Lestari. Yeah, okay. Now I'm going to ask you to start making voice note. 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, everybody. Yeah. Now I want to start with Kevin. Kevin.
Yes, sir. Wait.
Okay. Yeah. Your handphone, please. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, start.
Teknik metode dari mendengarkan, pertama menjaga kontak mata, terus menunjukkan sikap menyinggung dan mendorong pembicara. Kedua, mengangguk dan menggunakan isyarat dan mengindikasi ke pendengar. Yang ketiga, merefleksi paraphrase, interpreter memberikan bahasa yang berbeda. Yang keempat, membuka, mendorong pembicara untuk memberikan lebih banyak informasi dan pesan yang diberikan. Yang kelima, memberikan interpreksi yang memungkinkan tanpa terpotong. That's it.
Okay. How long does the video take?
48 seconds.
Oh, 48 seconds. Okay. Okay. No problem. No problem. Okay. In this case, now I'm going to call to file. To file. Thank you, Kevin. I've already recorded, yeah? So your score is based on how many percentage that you can cover on the original audio, yeah? To file, say hi.
Halo.
Okay. Are you ready? Your handphone, please. Okay. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. You start. Okay. 1, 2, 3, start.
Teknik metode mendengarkan. Berikan perhatian yang kepada pembicara. Menggunakan bahasa badan seperti itu dan tetap melakukan merangkum pembicaraan dengan menggunakan paraphrase. Oke, sir. Yang terakhirnya yang
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Tufaya. Yeah. Okay. 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 Don't worry. We are going to do the next voice note. Yeah. The next one. So if you think that you are not good in this moment, I hope that you will be having better performance for in the next voice note. Yeah. Now, Hafizah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this time I want you to be better from the previous one. Okay, Hafizah?
Okay.
Okay.
Can you see my phone?
Yeah, sure, sure. Very good. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Now, 1, 2, 3, start.
Start.
There are some techniques for active listening.
Ada beberapa teknik untuk menjadi pendengar secara aktif. Pertama, hadir sepenuhnya dalam percakapan dan untuk berkonsentrasi. Kedua, menunjukkan perhatian. Ketiga, memperhatikan dengan isyarat dan menggunakan isyarat nonverbal. Keempat, mengajukan pertanyaan terbuka. Kelima, parafrase dan merefleksikan apa yang dikatakan. Keenam, mendengar dan memahami. Ketujuh, penilaian dan advice, nasihat.
Okay.
Dan
Okay, how long does the voice note take? How long is the voice note?
43 detik.
43 detik. And that belongs to Raihan, is that right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Now Raihan, please. Yeah. Hey, Hafiza, that was good. Yeah, you made a progress. I like it.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Raihan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ready?
Ya udah.
Okay, okay. Look at the camera, me, and then have your handphone. Ready? One, two,
Ya,
three, start.
There are some techniques for active listening.
ada beberapa teknik dalam mendengarkan secara aktif. Pertama, harus terlibat langsung dalam konversasi sehingga dapat membantu berkonsentrasi tentang apa yang sedang dibahas. Yang kedua, berikan ketertarikan dengan membuat kontak mata yang baik. Yang ketiga, berikan respon melalui pertanyaan terbuka. Keempat, membuat paraphrase dan menyampaikan kembali apa yang telah dikatakan. 6, 7, buatlah penilaian terhadap apa yang telah dibahas.
Okay, okay. That's good. Impressive. Yes, thank you, Raihan. Yeah, yeah. I'm just collecting all the progress. Yeah, so there is no comment yet. Yeah, from me. Yeah. Dwi Lestari. Thank you, Raihan. Dwi Lestari.
Yes, sir.
Okay, your handphone, please.
I use the same phone. Is it okay?
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. Everybody, Dwi is using the same handphone and as well as the Zoom. Yeah. So she listen directly from the handphone. Yeah, with the distance between her face and then the handphone. One, two, three, start.
Teknik dari metode mendengarkan secara aktif. 1. Menjaga kontak mata. 2. Menjaga perhatian. 2. Menggunakan sinyal-sinyal verbal dan nonverbal. Ketiga, melakukan parafrase, mengulangi apa yang telah diucapkan untuk mengkonfirmasi apakah ia mengerti. Kelima, menghindari gangguan agar pembicara bisa menyelesaikan kalimatnya. That's it. It's
Okay.
too fast. Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. The owner of the voice is smiling right now. Okay. Thank you, Dwi. You are going to do the next one with the different text, yeah? So be ready. At least you need to concentrate more, yeah? Okay. But thank you. Very good one, yeah? I've already got your how many percentage that you could cover in your interpretation. Now, Ranti.
I'm here, sir.
Okay, Ranti, the previous one, you are not really feeling good, yeah? I hope this one is going to be better, okay? You want to be better or Oreo?
Can I have the Oreo then?
Okay. Okay, your handphone, please. Okay. One, two, three. Start.
Ada caranya dalam mendengarkan secara aktif. Pertama, harus hadir secara sepenuhnya saat pembicara agar bisa konsentrasi penuh. Kedua, tunjukkan diri Anda minat sehingga Anda memiliki kontak mata. Ketiga, dengarkan secara isyarat dan tanyakan pertanyaan yang terbuka. Yang kelima, parafase dengan merefleksikan pertanyaan tadi. Dengarkan. eh, yang ketujuh adalah menahan diri dalam berkomentar.
Okay. I think this one is better. Not Oreo. This is really better.
But Oreo, I'm fine, sir.
Yeah, but you have to celup and then putar, celup and putar. Better you just eat directly. Yeah, okay. Yeah, everybody. Now, I want you to look at the article. Yeah, it is going to be stress management method. Yeah, stress management method. But benefit, yeah, benefit of stress management method for interpretation, yeah, benefit of stress management method for interpreter. Okay. Now I'm going to put you with your partner, yeah, different with the previous one, yeah. Okay, let me think. Let me think. Kevin. Okay. 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 Where is Dwi? Dwi just left, or there must be problem with the connection, yeah. Tiffany, are you available now? Oh, I guess she told us that she would arrive within 20 minutes. Yeah, it's already more than 20 minutes. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think Raihan with Ranti. Yeah. Tufail with Kevin. Yeah. Hafiza, you are with Dwi Lestari. Yeah. Okay. So Hafiza, would you please send the voice note directly to Dwi, and then Dwi will understand that she is going to send the voice note to you. Hafiza, is that clear?
But I don't have the number of Kadui, sir.
Okay. Okay. Can anybody help? Can anybody help? Okay. Okay. You just be ready with the voice note, yeah, Hafiza. I'm going to send you the number, yeah. I'm going to send you the number.
Okay. Number 3, ya, sir. Benefit of active.
Yeah, benefit of stress management, yeah. Benefit of stress management. Yeah. Okay, everybody, 5 minutes, yeah, for doing the voice note. Okay. Okay. Let me call to fire.
Oke, Sir.
Yes. I hope this is going to be much, much better. Yeah. Previously, you did great, but this one, I hope it is going to be greater. Yeah. Okay.
From here. Sorry.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, start.
Dengan mengurangi tingkat stres dan meningkatkan relaksasi, kita meningkatkan kemampuan kita dalam fokus, konsentrasi, dan pertahanan saat melakukan interpreting. Meningkatkan mental kita dapat mengkontrol dan menambah efisiensi dalam melakukan interpreting.
Okay. How long does the voice note is?
It's about 31 seconds.
21 seconds.
31.
31 seconds. 31 seconds. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Tufaya. Yeah. Now, Raihan. Yes, Raihan. You are muted. You are muted.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, it's okay. Yeah. Whose voice note is that?
Ranti.
Okay, Ranti. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, start.
Ya, manfaat metode manajemen stres dalam interpreting. Interpreting dapat menyebabkan stres sehingga terutama dalam hal resiko yang tinggi. Kemudian teknik manajemen stres yang efektif membantu penerjemah menjaga ketenangan, fokus dan kejelasan, memastikan kinerja berkualitas tinggi. Yeah.
Okay.
It's only 26.
26, yeah? Okay.
Yeah, 26.
Yeah, 26. Okay, okay. I think I need to make comment. Next, yeah, for the last voice note, it is supposed to be longer than yeah, at least 1 minute, yeah, at least 1 minute. Okay, thank you, Raihan. Now, Kevin.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Whose voice note is that?
Tufail, sir.
Tufail, okay. 1, 2, 3, start.
Manfaat metode manajemen stres dalam interpreting. Interpreting dapat sangat stres dalam situasi yang tinggi. Efektif yang stres teknik seorang interpreter dapat menjaga dalam kefokusan dalam performa yang tinggi sehingga stres tidak terbakar dan mempertahankan karir mereka dalam jangka waktu yang that's it, sir.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Yeah. I think I found something interesting, yeah, in this moment, yeah. But it's okay. No comment, yeah. Okay, Ranti.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, come on, spirit. Keep your spirit, okay? Yeah.
This is the stress, right?
Okay. This is stress
Just
management.
joking.
Would you please put your position of the camera so I can see all of your face? Yeah, not the half only. 1, 2, 3, start.
Pekerjaan interpretasi sangat diminati. Bagaimana caranya untuk mengatasi stres? Salah satunya mengelola stres. Pertama, memiliki memori yang baik dan konsentrasi yang baik sehingga dapat membantu pekerjaan dalam menerjemahkan dan dapat menerima secara akurat dengan yang kedua, dengan mempercepat menerjemahkan, membantu kita dalam menerjemahkan tanpa membuat kesalahan dan kurangi rasa cemas dengan cara mengelola stres tersebut sehingga dapat menerjemahkan.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That belongs to Raihan, is that right?
Yes, sir.
Raihan, did you really send the voice note about the benefit, or is that the technique?
Benefits.
Benefit. Okay. Thank you. It's okay. Yeah. Okay. Now, Hafiza. Thank you. Yeah,
Yes,
Ranti,
sir.
that's good. Yeah. Hafiza, I cannot see you. Can't see you. Okay. Yeah, okay.
Can you see my
Your camera, please.
phone?
Yeah, okay. 1, 2, 3, start.
Tadi itu nge-lag sih tiba-tiba. Mengikuti bahwa penerjemahan adalah pekerjaan yang menuntut manajemen stres beberapa manfaat manajemen stres bagi memori konsentrasi lebih baik, memori dan manajemen baik, kedua apa ya? Kedua, aku lupa. Mengurangi anxiety. Penerjemah yang sedang bekerja dalam situasi tekanan tinggi perlu melakukan hal ini. Keempat, akurasi dan presisi. Seperti penerjemahan medis hukum, akurasi dan ketepatan lebih besar dalam interpretasi dalam mencapai proses pengolahan stres. Yang terakhir tadi itu penerjemahan yang mengelola stresnya secara efektif.
Okay.
Itu sih
Yes.
yang terakhir.
Okay. Hafiza, thank you, Hafiza. Yeah. Yeah, now the next one is Dwi Lestari.
Wait, sir.
Yes, okay. Okay. On my account. 1, 2, 3, start.
Berikut adalah keuntungan utama dalam manajemen stres. 1. Dapat meningkatkan konsentrasi yang lebih baik. Manajemen stres efektif untuk meningkatkan memori menjadi lebih baik agar bisa menerjemahkan secara akurat. Kedua, dapat meningkatkan kecepatan dalam memproses informasi agar dapat melakukan penerjemahan pada dialog yang cepat. Ketiga, mengurangi kecemasan. Interpreter dapat mengelola stresnya untuk mengurangi kecemasannya.
Okay. Yes, thank you, Dwi. Yeah. Okay. Welcome to Tiffany. She just arrived home, and now she is able to join us. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to ask you now to do the last voice note. Yeah. This is going to be the last voice note. I want you to go back. Sorry. Fatigue management, but technique of fatigue management. Yeah? Technique of fatigue management. Okay. Tiffany, yeah. I want you to have with Raihan. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And then to file, you are with Dwi Lestari. Yeah. Okay. Ranti, you are with Kevin. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And then Hafiza. Yeah. We are, yeah. I think you are going to have with Tufail, yeah. So you send to Tufail, yeah. Tufail, is it possible for you to send voice note to 2% Tufail? Is it possible?
I think yes.
Okay, so if that is possible, I want you to send directly to Hafiza and then to, who is that?
Dwi.
Dwi, yeah, okay. Yeah, 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, start. Okay. I hope everybody is now ready because this is going to be the last opportunity or chance for everybody to show your best. Now I'm going to call Dwi Lestari. Dwi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Whose voice note is that?
Tufayo.
Tufayo. Okay. I think Tufayo is very kind. He speaks slowly.
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, and then you start. Yeah. Okay. You are not holding your handphone. Okay. 1, 2, 3, start.
Berikut adalah teknik dalam mengelola kelelahan. 1. Beristirahat. Anda dapat beristirahat untuk mengisi ulang kembali energi. 2. Tidur yang cukup untuk menjaga fungsi kognitif. 3. Diet yang sehat. Mengkonsumsi diet yang sehat untuk menjaga level energi. 4. Minum air yang cukup agar dapat fokus. 5. Berolahraga. Aktivitas fisik dapat meningkatkan mengurangi kecemasan.
Okay. Thank you, Dwi. Thank you very much. Yeah. Okay, now let me go to Ranti. Thank you, Dwi.
What is causes?
You calling my name, sir?
Yes, I called you. I called you. And you are the only Ranti. Should I call you Gusti? Gusti? Gusti?
It's like same like Mr. Agus call me.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, Ranti Rianti. Wow, just like Sunda, ya. Ranti Rianti. 1, 2, 3. Start.
Pertama, tidurlah sesuai dengan waktunya. Dalam menjaga waktu tidur sesuai waktunya, dapat membuat badan kita tidur sesuai waktu jamnya. Seorang interpretasi harus dapat tidur 7 sampai dengan 9 jam. Kedua, membuat sebuah tempat untuk bertidur dengan lingkungan yang baik dengan cara menggelapkan ruangan dan membuat ruangan sejuk. Dan ketiga ialah tidur siang yang cukup 20 sampai 30 detik 30 menit dapat meningkatkan mengurangi kelelahan.
Okay. Okay. Ranti, thank you. Thank you. Whose voice note is that?
Mr. Kevin, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
I call him Mr. because there is a mustache.
So I think you better call him Mario Kevin. Yeah.
Oh, all right.
That mustache belongs to Mario. Okay.
That must
So
have
where's
not
the
Mr.
Luigi?
but Senior.
Oh, Senior
Kevin.
Senior
Kevin. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So, without any further ado, we call Senior Kevin. Yeah,
Halo, sir.
Kevin. So, your mustache attracts Ranti Rianti, ya. 1, 2, 3.
Teknik dari metode penerjemahan yang pertama mengambil istirahat selama sesi interpretasi dimulai. Yang kedua, mengisi daya mendidik tidur kedua. Yang ketiga, diet yang sehat. Yang keempat, tetap terhidrasi dengan minum air yang cukup supaya tetap fokus. Yang terakhir, olahraga untuk mengisi energi. Tidak sih, Sir?
Oh, that's very short. Yeah. Whose voice note is that?
Ranti, Sir.
Oh, Ranti. Ranti. Yeah. Okay. How long does the voice note take?
35 seconds.
35 seconds. Okay, no wonder. Okay, Kevin, thank you. Now, Senior Kevin, thank you. Now we call Tufail. Tufail,
Yes, sir.
okay. Yeah, are you ready?
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, start.
Ada beberapa teknik. Pertama, mengambil istirahat. Ini sangat penting untuk mengambil beberapa saat untuk istirahat. Melakukan stretching dan berjalan sebentar untuk merefresh badan dan pikiran. Dua, menyiapkan mental untuk harinya. Sangat penting untuk relax. Oke. Mendengarkan atau menonton video jika pesertanya itu baru, peserta atau topiknya itu baru. That's all.
Okay. Before I forget, yeah, I think this is supposed to be simultaneous, yeah, to fire. Yeah. It means that you are supposed to be at the same time. But it's okay, very good. Yeah, sorry, what?
I'm waiting for the next word, sir. I mean,
okay,
it's kinda, you know.
Okay, it's okay. Whose voice note is that?
It's
Who?
Dwi Lestari.
Oh, Dwi Lestari. Okay. That's quite long, quite long text, yeah. Thank you. Yeah, now Hafiza. Hafiza. Hello, Hafiza.
Hafiza?
Yes.
Yeah. I think Tufail with Hafiza is not Dwi Lestari.
Sorry?
Tufail with Hafiza, not Dwi.
Oh, no. Dwi Lestari did the first time in this opportunity. Yeah. Okay. Your handphone, please. Your handphone. Okay. Start. 1, 2, 3, start.
Technique management method. First, regular break.
Technique management method.
Rest and recharge. Second, adequate sleep.
Dua, tidur. Pastikan tidur kalian efisien. 3, makan makanan yang bergizi untuk memaintain level energi kalian. Yang keempat, hidrasi, minum air yang cukup. 4, 5, exercise, pemanasan. Nah, udah.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Yeah, Abiza, thank you very much. Yeah. Now we are going to call the last one. That is Raihan. Raihan. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So I call you senior, or master, or what?
Master is usually from Japanese ya,
Oh
Mas,
yeah.
master.
Okay. So you can find mas ya up and down in station ya. Okay, everybody listen to Raihan. 1, 2, 3, start. Yeah.
Oke, ada beberapa tips yang dapat Anda lakukan untuk meningkatkan skill interpreter. Pertama, mengikuti kelas interpreter. Kedua, melatih interpreting. Tiga, mengidentifikasi kelemahan dan kelebihan. Untuk kamu tidak akan meningkatkan skill jika melatihnya secara sendiri. Anda juga dapat melatih area atau bagian yang Anda nyaman. Ya, that's it.
Okay. That belongs to Stephanie ya.
Yes.
The owner is smiling at that corner.
Yeah, it seems like Tiffany want to hurry to go to somewhere again.
Okay. So Raihan was the last person belonging to the male group ya. Now the last female. Tiffany. Thank you Raihan. Tiffany ya.
Raihan, maaf berantakan.
Oh, no problem, Tiffany. Yeah, okay. Okay, we are happy to find that you arrive at home now. You join the Zoom, yeah. Okay, are you ready? Your handphone, please.
Handphonenya dipakai untuk ini, Mr. Rian, Zoom.
Oh, langsung. So you are using the handphone as the Zoom as well as the audio. Okay, ready?
Oke, Mr. Rian.
Okay, the voice notes belongs to Raihan, ya.
Iya, betul.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, start.
It's possible to prevent fatigue and maintain your energy and functionality
Memungkinkan
with a
untuk
little
mencegah
preparation.
fatigue dan
Let's look at
menjaga
a few proven techniques
fungsi
to help you
dapat melakukan
relax and
dengan
be productive.
sedikit
First,
persiapan.
take proper breaks.
Pertama,
Given the demands of your
cukup
work,
istirahat
it's critical that you take
yang
sufficient
tepat.
and frequent breaks. Try to take a quick break every hour. If you put it
Tidak
off
perlu
too long,
menunda
you will
istirahat.
get tired. Second,
Yang
get
kedua,
plenty of rest before the assignment.
banyak istirahat
Coming
sebelum
prepared to work is one of the
part
most
kamu
effective ways to avoid
dan
exhaustion.
bersiap pada saat
Interpreting is difficult
interpreting.
job that needs a lot of planning. However, it's crucial to relax before the big day.
Walaupun begitu,
And
itu
third, keep
situasi yang
hydrated
krusial.
and eat nutritious foods.
Makan
Eat
makanan yang
foods that will
bergizi
give you steady
itu
energy
dapat
throughout the day.
memberikan kamu energi yang baik.
Okay, thank you, Tiffany. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yep. Everybody, now I am going to have my comment. Yeah. At least I have written down four notes. Yeah. On the first one. Yeah. All topics. Yeah. Are assumed to be something familiar. I repeat again. The topics are assumingly to be familiar because you discussed this with your friend, your partner last week. Even though you didn't have the exact article belonging to you yourself, but that belongs to your friend, but the topic is similar. Okay, that is number one. Secondly, the interpretation is in bahasa Indonesia. I assume um, this is supposed to be easier. This is supposed to be easier. Number one, because you know the topic, familiar topic, so that the vocabulary is going to be a little bit easier for you to understand the English version. So the Indonesian interpretation is supposed to be easier. That is my point number two. And then point number three, when you are having the text, something about point by point, for example, the technique number one, technique number two, technique number three, I found that everybody did very good performance. Why? Because your brain is assisted with the structural material. After 1, you go to number 2. After 2, you go to number 3. So I hope that is going to be helpful for you. Yeah, in order for you to do the better interpreting. What I mean is that maybe you can write down something like, oh, this is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3, or something like that. Yeah, okay. And then number 4, yeah, of course. In the very beginning, some of you failed to perform perfectly because you are lacking of concentration. Yeah. So my point number 4 is that something that you need to be relaxed. Yeah. Yeah. In order to gain your full concentration. Yeah. I noticed that some of you gave very good performance. Yeah. Yeah. I have already got my own. Yeah. So you probably can identify who the persons are. What I mean is that I'm talking about the percentage of your interpretation is excellent. Yeah. That's why I asked you, how long does the voice note take? For example, 21, and then you can cover, yeah, yeah, let's say 15 seconds, yeah, from the whole voice note. That is really good. That is to me very good. Yeah. So that is my comment. There are 4 points. I hope everybody can get something from our discussion today. Is there any question before we close? Because it's already 19 past 10. Past 10. 20 past 8. Is there any? Okay. No, thank you. I think that's it. I hope we are going to meet again next week, yeah, for another. There is one more type of interpreting, but this is supposed to be practical. That means we need to be in the classroom. We cannot do it in our Zoom session, but I think that is going to be quite difficult, yeah. So just wait and see. That's why I'm going to focus more on practical thing, yeah, not theoretical thing. Okay. So that's it for today. Thank you. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3 for the screenshot. 1, 2, 3. Give your best smile, please. 1, 2, 3. Yes, I like to file smile. Yeah. 1, 2, 3 more. Yeah. Tiffany. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Besar.
wabarakatuh.
Yes,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Yes, you can leave the room.
Thank you, sir.
Yep.